Bitcoin looks so like strong as usual. Bitcoin is the alpha. Today, I want us to look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some altcoins that I am going to be buying. I think like right now because I think AI. Did I say altcoins? AI coins that I'm going to be buying in, and these are coins that I believe are going to make us massive profits. Let's say long term, right? You are welcome back again. Yeah, it's been a while since I do a video for you guys, and today I'm back. I have a new setup here in Gothenburg, Sweden. Yeah, it's good to be back again after a long time, and let's get to business. Let's look at what is going on. You want to make sure you watch this video or you stay live with me till the end of the video, so that I'm gonna share lots that will help you, make better decisions as you invest in this space. And those of you who are joining us here for the first time, this is the Betong Crypto. Yeah, create content that will make you money 5-10 years from now. And when I say buy and hold, I mean buy Bitcoin and hold. Bitcoin is the alpha, and other altcoins or other cryptos that are out there are going to help us to accumulate more Bitcoin. Now, let's begin with the chart of Bitcoin. Let's examine the chart of Bitcoin. Then we can go to Ethereum and other altcoins that I want also to discuss about today. And if say you have other coins that you want to look at, then comment below the altcoins that you want me to talk about today. Now let's just dive right away to this. Okay, this is Bitcoin. It looks so strong as always. Bitcoin is doing well. It's still bullish. This is the daily time frame, and from the daily time frame, I can see that we are seeing a recovery of Bitcoin from this area, and this area was a strong support area. And if say we zoom out, we're gonna see that Bitcoin is playing around this area. Like this is really an area of strong support. And now Bitcoin is going to retest this, I think this resistance here, to test the resistance there that it break. I think that was some weeks ago, right? And now we're gonna get back into this zone, And if Bitcoin gets back into this zone, then we want to say there's a possible chance that Bitcoin might go back to retest 31,000, 31,000, or maybe go above that. And if you look at the VROVP, the volume here tells me that Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we might see some movement. Let me bring it closer so we can see properly. I think looking at the volume here, you see that it was obvious that we were to see a bounce from this zone here, and now I think what we are seeing here is some sort of resistance, but I don't know how long it might be. But if say Bitcoin is not able to break this resistance, right now that is I think where it's going towards. If say Bitcoin is not able to break it, then we might see Bitcoin come right down to the zone that I mentioned. This is you can see this arrow here and this circle here. I think this is about 24,000 or 25,000, and that might be good for other altcoins because Bitcoin dominance is still that pretty high. Yeah, so looking at Ethereum, let's just look at Ethereum quickly so we can see what's going on with Ethereum. I think Ethereum have a lot of strengths in the market at this point in time. You can see Ethereum. I think Ethereum is, let me take off this V. We can bring this later on. You can see Ethereum is actually now on the daily time frame, going to approaching or attempting to trade above the 21-day EMA. This is good. If say we see Ethereum start trading above 21-day EMA, then I think that would be a good thing. And looking at Ethereum as well, look at this. This is the 200-day moving average. Ethereum is sitting at the 200-day moving average, meaning we are still in a good like let's say bullish situation with Ethereum, and this is the same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also above the 200-day moving average. Whenever you see any coin above the 200-day moving average, it means there's still more strength, and like to the upside, more buyers might come in. But if say we see price below the 200-day moving average, then we might start looking for ways to sell or cash out some profit, right? But we cannot we don't you don't have to cash out profits below the 200 moving average. You can always start cashing out profit right now or accumulate more. Of course, if say you didn't cash out profit yet, then now you should be buying more so that when it gets to this point back, like to the that is about 21. No, 2,100, yeah, 2,100 price point. If say it gets there, then you can start taking out profit. As of now, I think where we are for Ethereum is accumulation. If I take this right now, let me just try to see if say I can draw a proper trend line here. Can we have it? Do we have a trend line here? Let's see. Yeah, this trend line is good. So we might see Ethereum, if say Ethereum have to dip. This is where Ethereum might dip towards. This is about, let's say, about 1,700. Yeah, Ethereum might come down to 1,700, or maybe let's say right down to, I think it already came down to 1,700. It already came down to that level. So it retests this. This is on what day? This is Friday, 12th May. It came right to that price point, and now we are seeing some sort of recovery for Ethereum as well. So I think this is pretty good for Ethereum. Now looking at other stats here, let me just pull this chart here. This is the .hyperblock. I think I had this here. Okay, now this is the token terminal. It gives sort of fundamentals about different tokens out there, what they are doing, the different metrics, market sector, like different projects, trading contracts. Everything you want to know about different cryptos out there or top cryptos out there, you can find it on token terminal. And from what I can see here, it seems as if Tron and Ethereum are, looking at the 365 days, like for the past year, they have been really doing good. We have the next is OpenSea, DDX, and DYDX. We have PancakeSwap. We have Convex Finance. We have GMX. So these are the coins that have been doing so well in terms of making profit, in terms of revenue, and so on and so forth. And if say we go to the 20, let me just say the 30 days, time frame, we're gonna see here that we still have Ethereum and Tron. So Ethereum and Tron are pretty top project that you want to put your eyes on. I've not really been in love with Tron, I don't know why, but maybe I will start looking at Tron someday in the future. But as you can see here, as it stands, I think to an extent Ethereum have huge upside, and also Tron have huge upside. And then you can look at the other ones here, and if we look at the metrics, let's see. Now let's just go. If say this is general, I don't want to see the metrics. Okay, let me go to the home. Yeah, now let's look at fully diluted market cap. I think token trading volume, no token holders. Let's see token holders, which token have the highest holders for the past 180 days. Let's see which token have the highest holders here. Not much data here. Ethereum, Tron. Okay. I mean, guys, you can see it's pretty. Let's see. Token holders. We have Ethereum, BNB, okay, but Ethereum, BNB chain, and Polygon. Yeah, these are the top. We also have Life Power, Polkadot, Chainlink, Optimism, Arbitrum, Uniswap, Kucoin. Okay, so these are the top coins that have high token holders more than anyone else in the market. So Ethereum and BNB and Binance chain, so they are the leaders here. And if still we go further, guys, you can go and play around with this to look at the different coins out there. You can the name of this website is tokenterminal.com. And if say we go to the last, which is trending contract, let's see what we can find here. Uniswap, Mevbot. Okay, Mevbot is actually trending. Theta, MetaMask, Arbitrum. So you can get a lot of data from this platform. And there's also something I want to show you guys, which is really cool, that you can go and get information. I think I pulled this here earlier. This is Banter Bubble. I think I had this here. Let me see. Banter Bubble. Is it this? No, Bitget. I think I had this. Yep. Banter Bubble. I'm gonna search for it. Banter Bubble. Maybe I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna log in. Yeah, if you log in, if you say you sign into Banter Bubble, I think this is a cool tool that I discovered, and you guys can look at it as well. Like for example, if say you look at coins here, you can click on any coins and you get data like chats. There are people talking about the coins, why it's pumping. If you see the coin is pumping, like what is going on with the coin, and so on and so forth. So this can really give you guys. You can see they have a social. They have built in a social, should I say, communication gateway that you can be like back end, yeah, that you can communicate. Like you can chat. For example, I can send a message here like, also I can say awesome. Let's say awesome, and it's gonna be there. The Betong says awesome, so you can see there. So this is a good tool. If say you want to know about any token, like what they are doing, not like to know everything about the token, but you can you can get information on why different coins are pumping. Like for example, if say I click on this one, maybe we can get something from someone, saying something about the coin and why it's pumping. And you can also look at charts and performance. Like for example, like this coin, let's go to the chart and performance to see what is going on. You can see here. Wow, I think this is pretty good. And if you want to pretty cool, if you want to look at the exchanges that you can buy this coin, you can see it here. We have Binance, Kucoin, Bybit, Next Global, and Bitget. So it's pretty good tool for you guys to look at, as you go about maybe investing, or trading. You can easily get information as to where to go buy your favorite project or a new coin in the market that you want to accumulate. Now guys, let's go to the AI coin that I think I'm gonna be holding from now on. Okay, guys, AI is sorry guys, I have a little bit of cold here. Yeah, AI is something else. AI is the future, and we have seen Elon Musk and other big companies come out and talk about AI, and we have seen also how so many AI coins have been doing well, and there are a couple of AI coins that I want us to look at that I think we should accumulate more. I mean, those of you who want to follow my content, you want to get involved with the things I do, like buy the stuff that I buy. Yeah, this is it. Let's get into it right now. I think the first on my list is Chain GTP. I know you guys have heard me talk about this coin before on my platform. I think they are gonna be doing well. Let me just go to, if I can see the chart of Chain GTP. Wow, this coin is actually pumping as we speak. This is the 1 hour time frame. I think I should accumulate some. Let me just do quick analysis right now, so I can know if we can buy this token and what entry point should we get into at this point in time. Now, let me go first to the daily time frame. Then we'll excuse guys. I'm gonna pull everything we got here. So looking at the daily time frame, I think where this coin is sitting at right now is at a resistance here. This is a resistance here. So these are the things I look at before buying any coin, guys. You guys should pay attention to it. I try to look at the daily time frame, what is going on here, and from this it tells me that okay, there is a high chance. Let me bring this a little bit closer. There is a high chance that this token might be actually going to the upside. I mean, it might break that resistance there. So I will just pull this together and see if, say, I can, actually grab some data here that will give me a proper insight as to where this coin is going towards. Okay, let's see this. And now, from what I can see here, it tells me that this coin has broken this structure. There was a structure here. Let me pull this back. There was a structure here. Okay, there was a structure here, and from what I can see, it seems as if this coin has broken the structure right now. And okay, excuse guys, I have a little bit of cold, so I think sorry guys. All right, now looking at this structure, I think what I want to look for right now is a break at this level. Yeah, a break like this at this level. I think so. Yeah. Then pull back. Then yeah. So that's what I want to see. So I'm gonna put let's say outlet. Yeah. I'm gonna put an outlet. Yeah. Price outlet. Let me put this here. Okay, so I'll put a price outlet there. When price gets that level, I'm gonna get an outlet. Then I can know when to get in. So once that happens, I'm gonna go to the lower time frame and let me look at my target. Yeah. So what would be my target? Looking at this, if I go to the 4 hours time frame, let me see if say I can grab a target. Yeah. So I think let me zoom this a little bit. Guys, this is chain GTP. So you wanna go, let me take off this so I can get a clear chart. Okay. Obviously this is where I'm gonna get in. All right. There. I think I'm just gonna do, let me see. I'm gonna get to the next resistance. Yeah. So this is the next resistance. Yeah. I think price might get to that point in time, that price point, before we see some pullback. All right. So yeah, I think that's how my trade is gonna be. Then my stop loss will be so tight, I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer, because I think if say we see a break out there, then we shouldn't see a break below, like break out from the downside. So I think if say we get in more volume right now, then we might be going up, not like try to break this level here. Of course, this coin is so volatile, then we might see something else, something different, right? And if I look at the hourly time frame, okay, I think we're gonna see a pullback, because the stochastics is telling me that, like, the way I trade, guys, I look at the stochastics, I look at RSI, I look at the candlesticks. So at this point in time, I don't think I want to be buying because of where the stochastics is. Sorry, guys, I'm not able to pronounce right now, but I try to actually draw something like this. You can see each time the stochastics get to this point in time, there is sort of pullback, to the downside. So you have to make this simple. Trading is simple. I don't want you guys to complicate stuff. If you want to trade, you always make sure you keep it simple. Don't use so much stuff. Before, I used so much indicators, so much stuff, so it confused me a lot. But when I started using this simple stuff, like right now, if say you would have bought it, yeah, right, and like, guys, usually if you don't know how to do leverage trading, you can do this on spot trading, right? You can wait when the price is at this point in time, you buy it, and when the price gets back to the stop, you sell. It comes back here, you buy. You can see it has been respecting these zones here. You can see up, down, 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 and as I mentioned, we can see pullback, but I don't think this pullback will be significant. We can see it to this level, then, but of course, I think, actually, guys, I think I want to place an order here right now. Yeah, because if I look at the daily time frame, I think I already have an entry here. I think I should have an entry here, Yeah, I should have an entry so I can take advantage of this properly. Yeah, I should have an entry there. I think I'm gonna, do this right now, like as we speak, for CGPT. CGPT. Let me go to Bybit right now. I have an order here for Gala. CGPT. Let me take off this one now. Refresh. Guys, you can trade this on OKX or on Bybit. The links are found below this video. Go below this video. You're going to see the links to, trade this on Bybit. If you use my link, I get commission, and also it's a way to support this channel, to support what I do. So go right now and use my link to trade this on Bybit with me. Now, let me just go to Bybit. Let's see, CGPT. Guys, my computer is freezing. I don't know why so many windows are open on my computer. CGPT. Let me see. So many windows are open on my computer, so it's pretty. And I have an Apple computer, so I don't know why this is being slow. There's no CGPT on copy trading, so let me go to standard. CGPT. There's no contract for CGPT. Let me go to all. Let me refresh this page, guys. I don't know what's going on here right now. CGPT. See. GPT. This is annoying. My computer is just freezing right now. Okay, maybe I cannot get it. Let me see if I can get it on spot. I think there is no derivative for CGPT. Actually, guys, this is really annoying. I don't know. This is annoying. Let me go to spot trading right now to see if my computer is actually freezing. It's freezing. Let me quit this. Let me get out some windows. So I think it might free some space here. Yep, now I got CGPT. This is annoying, guys. Annoying. Do I have some dollars here? Yeah, I have $87 available. So how I'm gonna do this right now, guys? You can see the reason why I wanna buy this is because you can see here. Let me try to see if I can do some quick TA here on this. So you can see there was a pump here. You can see like pump here, and we have seen some kind of sort of pullback, and now we are seeing something like this. So it might form a W like this, and boom, that's why I want to get some. And also we can see here that if I look at this level, there is a resistance here. Should I say resistance or support, something like that? So you can see, and that's where the price has bounced, right? So I might say I have to buy this, or I want to buy this right now, right? And this is spot trading, not I'm gonna take market order. I have about $87 left in my, so I'm gonna buy this with half of that money. Yeah, half, that's $43. Okay. Then if say I see some pullback, I'm gonna buy more again there. Yeah, what I mentioned is, so I'm gonna place 2 orders. I'm gonna place a limit order here with the rest of the amount of money, and then maybe let me get this one first. That's section on GPT. So let me see where am I gonna sell. From where what I see, I think I'm gonna sell at this price point. That's 19,134. 19,134. So sell at 19,134. Allah. So I'm gonna make about $20 profit. Not really. Yeah, about, let's say, yeah, about $20 profit. Okay, let me sell this. If say that's the case, I'm gonna place another order here with the rest of the amount of what is left. Let's say 16. I'm gonna place an order at 16,31776. 16,31776. I'm gonna buy with half. Just sell with half. That's 21. I'm gonna sell at the same price. That's 18. Let me see. This one will sell at 19,334. 19,334. 19,334. Yes. So everything. Okay, before I place that sell order, I have to place a buy order first. So the buy order will be what I mentioned here. 15,538. 15,538. So I'm gonna buy this with $21. So buy this. Okay, I have an order already for this, so yep. All right, guys, so that's it. I'm gonna wait and see how it goes, then cash out some profits. Yeah. Okay, I didn't plan to do this with you guys right now, but I saw this opportunity, so I said let me just do it now. Change GTP is one of the AI coins that I'm gonna be buying. The next on my list is CHRP. Not CHRP, yeah, CHRP, Chapley. Chapley is also a good project, and I think from where, like, if say you guys have been watching my videos for the past 3 months or for the past 2 months, then you have heard me talk about Chapley. This coin is a good coin, and look at the pump here, guys. We might see an AI pump soon, and if we see an AI pump soon, this token Chapley is gonna pump as well. So you guys want to keep an eye on this token. Now, looking at the daily time frame, if say, let me see if say I can mark this properly for us to get an edge as to when we can like get something out of this. So I think where we are right now is a good zone to buy this token. And if say you buy this token, then you might want to first of all sell it at, let's say, 0.04455, and if say it keeps going up, then you can sell again at 0.07924. You guys should write this price point, and if say it keeps going up, then sell at 0.0013896. So these zones here will help you, to understand when it's good for you to take out profit, when it's good for you to buy again, just stay away from the market. You can see this is gonna be a strong point here for Chapley. So go and check out Chapley, guys. It's one of those coins that I think is really pretty cool. So yeah, check it out, Chapley. And the next on my list is Matrix AI. Matrix AI is an AI coin that I think I've done a video about the coin as well. Go and check out my previous AI videos. I've done it on ChangeGTP and also on Matrix AI. This is like a good project, a good AI crypto project that I think will help make you massive reward. They have a lot that they are doing already, and I think if we're gonna see an AI point, an AI pump, it's not begin with I think Chain GTP, Matrix AI. Another one is Fetch AI. Fetch also is a good project that I think you should look at, and yeah, they are pretty doing well to an extent. If let's see Fetch. I think Fetch is doing well. Fetch, so not Fetch. I think it's Fetch. Yeah, Fetch AI. AI. You can see. I think almost all AI coins are doing well. You can see this coin is making higher highs here. Swing high, swing high, swing high. I think we look at this. I can say if you follow the trend, then I think we might see a break of structure from this trend that I'm seeing here. So let me do this properly so we can get real time data. And guys, this is live, not those things that other people do. They go and prepare a chart that they understand, bring it to you, and expect you to understand the chart. But this is perfectly cool. You can look at this live to see, okay, wow, this is what actually happened in live, and this is what the Betong does. You can see I try to plot these lines here, and if say usually some like ascending triangle like this always tend to break the downside, no doubt about it. And if say you see a breakout of structure, it will come and retest this zone here. If so, like for example, if say this Fetch AI breaks this area here, this zone here, come to touch to touch this let's say support here, and it will go back to retest this like the current support right now. So if say it breaks this current support right now, it will become resistance, so it will go back. If say it comes here, it will go back to retest that zone again, before it can do like this, then go again up to the upside, or maybe come downward. So you guys should look at these AI coins, and there are many of them out there. If say you guys want me to look at some of them, then that I haven't mentioned here, of course, feel free to comment it below, and I'm gonna do just that. All right, guys, I think I've been doing this live stream has been going for a long time right now, 34 minutes. Yeah, I'm happy I'm able to touch some stuff. I have a couple of trades now going on with Gala. I try to make it simple, guys. This is what I do. Like, let me tell you this. I try to trade. I don't want to trade with so much money, right? I want to trade with small amounts, so that I can, do fundamentals on so many projects and buy, like for example, use $1,000 and buy like 10 coins, right? And those coins can give me, let's say 3x, 5x, within 2 weeks or within 1 month, and so on. So that's what I've been trying to do in the past, and this is what I want you guys to do. And usually, you don't have to trade with futures or derivatives. You can do this on spot. Go on Bybit, go on OKX. The links are found below this video. There, you're gonna get like, pretty good trading bonus. So if say you guys don't have any further questions, I think I'm gonna just call this a go for today. And those of you who are still here for the first time, this platform is designed to help people out there understand crypto. There's so much noise going on in the world, in the crypto space. So many people out there who really want to invest in cryptocurrency, but because they don't understand how it works, how to navigate, or how to maneuver the ecosystem, they tend not to invest. So what the Betong Crypto is doing, with your help, is to reach out there to people, in different areas in the world, particularly in Africa. I want to help my African brothers and also those in Asia. Beside that, anyone in the world who I can connect with as well, I'm going to be willing to, educate them. But Africa, Asia are my target areas. I'll begin first with Africa, then I go to Asia. I know I have so many followers who are in Asia and also United States. So you guys are really awesome. Not to forget my guys from Nigeria and Cameroon. So there's lots that I want us to, to build here on this platform. And you guys remember I mentioned earlier about the Betong crypto, the Betong token. This token is going to help this platform reach out to more people. We're going to create different projects that we can really help people out there understand the basics of cryptocurrency. There are people out there who have cash, like a lot of cash, but they don't know how to build wealth with cash. Cash is trash. Money like cash is trash. If you say you have enough cash and you don't know what to do with it, then you might end up being somewhere like, have you ever heard of someone like, every should I say vicinity or every environment have this kind of a person who at one time in their life or at a certain period in their life had so much money, like, wow, this guy was so rich, he had so much money was coming on board, it was giving people money, like, dash this, give this to this one and that. But at one point in time, he become broke or she become broke, right? This is because, like, guys, money, money is should I say, it's like vapor. It comes in and evaporates. When it comes in, you need to put that money into proper use, like how to multiply this money. And I think these are the kind of challenges that most people out there face. I've faced the challenge, that I am talking about right now, and I understand that there are many people within these communities who really have something. Guys, you must not have so much money before you can really build wealth in this crypto space. We have seen it with so many projects out there like Pepe and Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Baby Dogecoin, Floki, name it. There are many of them out there. If say you follow the right people who can help you, give you the right education, then you can actually prepare yourself, with $10, $5. You can get that. Someone can even give you something, airdrop, and from that airdrop, you can make something out of it. So don't sit there and say money, blah blah blah. The idea here is your mindset. What you got inside. I think my camera is not that clear. Okay. So, all right, guys, let me not speak too much right now. I think I'm going to call it a go for now. And whenever I'm going to be launching the coin, I'm going to let you guys know it's going to be a fair launch with the Betong Crypto. And those of you who really support my platform and you want to see the project grow, then I think you're going to buy the coin. All right, guys. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me.